Hello friends, today I am going to speak about a topic which is very interesting in fields of cosmology. The name of the topic is expanding universe. Many of you may have heard about this theory of expansion of universe, and many of the people may have confused about this theory, so I will make it clear in this video. So the expansion of universe was first discovered by astronomer Edwin Hubble in the decade of 1920s when he was working at Mount Wilson Observatory in Arizona. While he was studying at this observatory, he was observing all the distant galaxies in our universe. And while he was observing, he noticed one thing, that all the galaxies in our observable universe are moving away from each other. So how he came to know that galaxies are moving away from each other? For this, we have to take a method of removing spectrum. The spectrum is actually when we pass white light from a prism, it gets split into 7 colors, that is spectrum. And if we take a spectrum of any galaxy, it will show any two patterns. One is redshift and another is blue shift. If galaxy is showing the pattern of redshift, then the galaxy is moving away from us. And if galaxy is showing the pattern of blue shift, then the galaxy is coming towards us. So any galaxy which he had observed, all the galaxies were showing a pattern of redshift. This result had shocked everyone at that time, because this observation has concluded that universe is expanding, because in whichever direction you look, all the galaxies are moving away from each other. This theory, this results showed that universe is expanding. So many of you people may think that if universe is expanding, then why galaxies are moving away from each other? So the answer for this question, we have to take one example. So consider this balloon as a universe, and dots which I have marked on this balloon represents a galaxies. Now when universe will expand, when I will blow this balloon, the balloon will expand, and all the dotted marks on the balloons will move away from each other. Not because they are practically moving away from each other, but because the surface of the balloon is expanding, due to which they are appearing like they are moving away from each other. The same is with the universe. If universe is expanding, the space between the galaxies is expanding, due to which they are appearing like the galaxies are moving away from each other. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, our complete universe is made up of space-time fabric, and on that space-time fabric the galaxies are floating. About space-time fabric I will explain you in detail in another video, but in this video you consider that all the galaxies are floating on that space-time fabric, and the space-time fabric, as universe expands, the space-time fabric also expands, due to which the space between the two galaxies expands, and due to which they are appeared like they are moving away from each other. So this is actually the expansion of universe. And as the universe expands, so I will explain you another more concept about redshift in more detail. So as the light coming from the galaxy, it takes millions or billions of years to reach us from distant galaxies. So by the time the light reaches to our planet, to our telescope from that galaxy, the light has traveled billions of light years across in the universe. And as the universe expands, the wave of light also stretches, due to which as the wavelength stretches, the wavelength increases, and the color of the light changes to red, because red has maximum wavelength in visible light. So the galaxies are showing redshift. This is because the expansion of universe. So today I explain you in detail about the expansion of universe. If you have any doubt about this, you can ask me in the comment box. And also I have one request for you, that if you have to suggest me any topic which I will discuss in my next video, you can put that topic in my comment box. I will make another video on that.